bench how full it is, so you can see how much snow here. That Hello everyone, what's up? Today is 24 November 2025 Monday, and the time right now in Calgary is 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and you can see it's snowing heavily in Calgary. This is the first I think heavy snowfall in Calgary this year, and in this video I'm going to show you guys during this heavy snowfall Calgary life. And today I just start my walking tour from my neighborhood when I just come out from my apartment. It looks like, but I'm so happy because of the snow. Without the snow, Calgary looks so ugly, and this especially in this like a late November and December. Oops. Everyone is getting ready to snow the clean from the driveway. And it's Monday. Everyone is going, of course, work, school, and you can be late. Oops, it's very slippery. Hi. Yeah. Oh God. Look at this, all the snow-covered car here. When you don't have the inside heated parking or just inside parking here during the snow, it's very difficult, especially in the winter time when it's snowing heavily. Clean the car. Look at this sidewalk. It looks like I'm in winter wonderland. And let's go for a drive. And today I just started my walk from Center Street. It's total disaster right now. It has been snowing a lot from the last night. I don't know where they are hiding and there. Did you hear the sound, guys? So really, like, I don't know which one is the walkway and which one is roadside. Whenever I post the video of snowfall of winter outside of Canada, whoever who are planning to come in Calgary, I'm just checking my video is like a clear or not. like a planning to move in Calgary or Canada. They just frequently ask me that in this this kind of weather, what should we do? Do we do work? Kids are going to school or not? Yes, everything is open. We have to go to work no matter what, and kids are going to school. If it's like a too bad, sometimes the school is closed, but work is mandatory. But during this kind of weather, if you are going to work late because the outside is disaster, if you find difficulties to, because it's for the public transit is always late in this kind of weather. So if you're late in the work, so it's okay. And people are walking and they're enjoying the snow, or someone is in. Look at this sidewalk is too full of snow.